Hello everyone, this is Nirmalendu Nirmal. We'll study the mathematics of class 6 and today we are going to start the new chapter, that is estimation. This is the second chapter of your math syllabus, chapter 2. Chapter 1 already we have finished, that was number system. If you have not watched that video, then you can see the link of that video has been mentioned in the description. So now let's start. So what is estimation? We will talk about the estimation of numbers. Okay, estimation of numbers. Before that, I would like to ask something, that many a time you may get a data which is not exact. Okay, if I'll ask you that the number of members in your family, obviously you will say exact number of the members, like it may be 4, 5 or 6, 7, anything. Okay, it is exact number of the members. If I'll say that tell me the number of the students in your class, you can say that yeah, it may be 30, 40, means you can say the exact number of students in your class. Okay, if I'll say that tell me the number of students in your locality, then you might guess that oh, it may be approximately 400 or 450 or approximately, means you will not able to say the exact number of the students in your locality. You will just guess and you will say the approximate number of students. That will not be exact. Okay, if you are going to say 400, it means you are guessing, it may be approximately 390. Okay, 390, that may be 405 also, if you are going to guess. Okay, then your guessing may be a little bit less than or a little bit more than the exact data. If we'll talk about the number of passengers in a train, then that time also you will guess, that you can say that you will say that the number of passengers in a train may be 1000 or 1100. It means here also you will just guess and you will say the approximate number. Okay, approximate, not the exact number. So approximate data, to find out the approximate data is called estimation, or another name is also there, rounding off or round off. Okay, so finding out the near about value, okay, or approximate value is known as estimation. Some of the lines I have written here, you can say. So here, estimation of number, estimation is the process, as I have written here, estimation is the process of finding out the approximate value, such as if there are 78 students, you can say that approximately 80 students are there, it is the estimated value, it is the near about value, that is not exact. Okay, that approximate value is known as estimated value. What? Estimated value. Okay, that is known as estimated value. Estimated value means near about value to any particular number, and finding out the near about value or to estimate the number. Okay, to estimate the number or for the estimation of the number, there are many ways, like to the nearest tens by rounding off, to the nearest 100 by rounding off, to the nearest 1000 by rounding off, and so on, like to the nearest lakh, to the nearest 10 lakh, and many more of them. Is it depends upon the place of the number. Now, before estimation, we should have understanding that how to round off a number. Okay, to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest 1000, to the nearest 10,000, etc. So one by one we'll talk about that how to estimate or how to round off any number to the nearest 10, how to round off any number to the nearest 100, how to round off the number to the nearest 1000. So now we will learn that how to round off any number to the nearest 10. So for that there are few rules. First we will look at the ones digit. It means just before the tens digit. If we are going to round off any number to the nearest 10, so just before that digit, okay, just before tens digit, which digit comes? Ones. So we will look at the ones digit. First we will see the ones digit. After that, if ones digit is less than 5, then replace ones digit by 0. If ones digit is less than 5, then ones digit will be replaced by 0, and let other digits be unchanged, and other digits except ones digit, whatever digits are there, tens digit, hundred digit, thousands digit, those digits will be unchanged. Okay, if ones digit is 5 or more than 5, actually greater than should be there, greater than 5, okay, or equal to, greater than or equal to 5, then the tens digit will be increased by 1. Then increase tens digit by 1, it means 1 will be added to the tens digit, and ones digit will be replaced by 0. Try to understand, if ones digit is less than 5, then nothing will be added to the tens digit. If ones digit is greater than or equal to 5, then 1 will be added to the tens digit. Let me make you understand by taking example. Suppose that 32 is there. Okay, if I'll tell you that round of this number to the nearest tens, so we'll look at the ones digit just before tens digit. Ones digit is there, we'll look at this digit, and now we'll see that either it is greater less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. Okay, we will check either it is less than 5 or it is greater than or equal to 5. So we'll see that it is less than 5, so it will be replaced by 0. Okay, this digit will be replaced by 0, and rest of the number digits will be left unchanged. So this will be unchanged, and ones digit will be replaced by 0. So estimated value of 32 will be this. Okay, when we will round up this number to the nearest 10, then the estimated value or rounded form will be 30. If we will take the number 57, and we have to round up this number to the nearest 10. Okay, then we will look at the ones digit. It is 7, obviously it is greater than 5. If ones digit is greater than or equal to 5, then we will add 1 to the tens digit. Okay, if ones digit is greater than or equal to 5, then we will add 1 to the tens digit, and ones digit will be replaced by 0. It means the rounded figure will be 5 plus 1, it means 6, and it will be replaced by 0. It means the rounded figure or estimated value of 57 is 60. I hope that you have understood. Let me take another example. Suppose that 85 is the number. We have to round up this number to the nearest tens. We'll look at the ones digit. See, ones digit is 5. It means it is equal to 5. What is the condition? That if ones digit is greater than or equal to, okay, greater than or equal to, it means 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. If these digits are there, then 1 will be added to the tens digit. It means here will be 9, and ones digit will be replaced by 0. So 90 will be the estimated value of 85 if we will round up this number to the nearest 10. Okay, to the nearest 10. I hope that you have understood. Let me take another example. Suppose that 2, 1, 6, 8. This number we have to round up, okay, to the nearest 10. Then what will you do? We will look at the ones digit. Just before the tens digit, we will look at the ones digit. It is 8. It means it is greater than 5. So 1 will be added to the tens digit. Okay, it means it will be 7, and these digits will be written the same. So 2, 1, and here 1 will be added. Why? Because ones digit is greater than 5. Okay, so here it will be 617, and ones digit will be replaced by 0. So estimated value of 2168 is 2170. I hope that you have understood. Okay, so I repeat that whenever we have to round up the number to the nearest 10, we will look at the digit. Which digit? Ones digit. Just before the tens digit, that is ones digit. If it is less than 5, then we will not add anything to the tens digit. If ones digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then 1 will be added to the tens digit, and remaining digit will be written same. and the ones digit will be replaced by 0. These rules you will keep in your mind. Okay. Now second one, rounding a number to the nearest 100. Very simple. If I am going to write that 3, 8, 9, okay, and we have to round up this number to the nearest 100, ones, tens, 100. If we have to round up to the nearest 100, just before the 100th digit, which digit is there? Tens digit is there. So we will look at the tens digit, that either it is less than 5 or it is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, if it is less than 5, then nothing will be added here. If it is greater than or equal to 5, 1 will be added to the 100th digit. Okay, so obviously it is greater than 5, it means 1 will be added to 3, it means it will be 4, and after that whatever digits are there, those will be replaced by 0. Okay, up to which place we have to round up the number, after that whatever digits are there, those digits will be converted to 0, and before that whatever digit will be there, those will be written the same. Suppose that 1 and 2 will be there, then 1, 2 will be written here. I hope that you understood. Let me take another example. Suppose that I will take the example 2, 7, 6, 5. This number you will have to round up to the nearest 100. So ones, tens, 100. 100th digit is this, and before 100th digit we will see. If we have to round up to the nearest 100, then just before the 100th digit we will see this is the 10th digit. We will see that either it is less than 5 or it is 5 or greater than 5. So obviously it is greater than 5, so 1 will be added to 7 to the 100th digit. So the answer will be 2, and 7 plus 1, 8, and these digits will be replaced by 0. Okay, I hope that you have understood. Now move. Rounding a number to the nearest 1000. Very simple. Same rule applies here also. Suppose that I will write 2, 1, 6, 8. This number you have to round up to the nearest 1000. Then how will you write? How will you do? How will you estimate the number? Obviously you have to round up to the nearest 1000. First go to the thousands place, ones, tens, 100, thousands. Okay, and just before that you see, it means 100th place, what is there? 1. It means it is less than 5, so nothing will be added to the thousands place. It means it will be written like that, and after that whatever digits are there, those will be written those will be replaced by 0. I hope you have understood. Okay, whatever means if we have to round up to the nearest 1000, so after 1000 whatever digits are there, those will be replaced by 0. Okay, let me take another example. Suppose that 3, 5, 6, 9, 8. Suppose that this is the number you have to round up to the nearest 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is the 1000 place, and just before that at the 100th place 6 is there. Obviously it is greater than 5, so 1 will be added to this number, this digit, so it will be 6, and before that whatever there is there, that will be written like that. So 3, and it will be, this will be what, 5 plus 1, because it is more than greater than 5, so 1 will be added here. So 5 plus 1, 6, and these will be replaced by 0. So 0, 0, 0. This is the estimated value when we round up 8 to the nearest 1000. I hope that you understood. Let me take one more example. Suppose that 2, 0, 1, 5, 6. Suppose that this number you will have to round up to the nearest 1000. What will you do? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is the 1000 place, and just before that 100th digit is there. We will see that what is the value of this? It is 1. Obviously it is less than 5, it means nothing will be added to this, so it will be written like that. So 2, 0. Okay, 2 and 0 also will be written like that, nothing will be added because it is less than 5. So 0, and after that whatever are there, those will be replaced by 0. So 20,000 is the estimated value of this number when we round up this number to the nearest 1000. I hope that you have understood, and you all of you read these rules also. Okay, Suppose that I'll give you the question that round of this number to the nearest 100. What will you do? 100 digit now there, ones, tens, 100. At the hundreds place nothing is there. Okay, so what will you do? How will you round up this number? So we'll assume that nothing is there, it means 0 is there. Okay, now we'll see if we have to round up to the nearest 100. So just before 100 what is there? At the tens place 8 is there, it means it is greater than 5. Obviously 1 will be added to the hundreds place, so it will be converted to 1. 0 plus 1, it means 1, and these digits will be converted to 0. So the estimated value of 89 is 100 when we round up this to the nearest 100. Suppose that the question will be that round up this number to the nearest 1000. What will you do? You see that ones, tens, 100, 1000. At the 1000 place nothing is there, it means 0 is there. And just before that, just before the 1000 place, what is the 8? It means it is greater than 5. So obviously 1 will be added here, it means it will be 1, and after this whatever are there, those will be converted to 0. Those will be replaced by 0. This is the estimated value. 1000 is the estimated value of 875 when we round up this number to the nearest 1000. So these are some questions. Okay, and how to write the statement? If you are going to round up any number, then two ways are there. Suppose that you have to round up this number to the nearest 10. How do you round up? So you write 45 and give arrow, never ever give equal sign. Okay, if you are writing that 45 and equal to, and then you will round up this number, it will be 50, then it is wrong. Never give the equal sign when you are going to write the estimated value. Okay, for the estimated value we write, or we put the arrow sign. Okay, it shows that we have rounded up the number. Okay, now we have to round up this number to the nearest tens. So first we will go to the tens place, ones, tens. Now we will look at the just before the tens digit, it means ones digit, it is 5. Okay, it is not less than 5, it is 5. Obviously 1 will be added to this number, sorry, this digit, it means it will be 5, and after that it will be replaced by 0. So 50 will be the answer of this. 50 is the rounded figure, rounded form of 45 when we round off this number to the nearest 10. So and another way is there how to write. In a statement you can write that 45 rounded of to 50, like this you write. Either you write in a statement or by putting the arrow sign. Okay, either you can write like this, 45 rounded off to 50, like this you write. Either this way or this way. Never ever give the equal sign for writing the estimated value. Okay, so practice these questions. Few questions I am doing. Suppose that you have to round up this number. Okay, what will you do? You have to round up to the nearest 10. So ones, tens, tens place, at the tens place it is there, and just before that you will see 2 is there just before that at the ones place, and this is less than 5, so nothing will be added to the tens place. So 2 and 8, it will be written like that. Tens digit will be written like that. Why? Because ones digit is less than 5, so tens digit is written like that, and ones digit will be converted to 0. So 280 is the answer. Okay, suppose that we have to do this question. Okay, you have to round up this number to the nearest 1000. So just move to the 1000 place, ones, tens, 100, 1000. At the 1000 place 5, just before that, if you have to round up to the nearest 1000, then just before the 1000 place you see that which digit is there. At the 100 place 6 is there, it means it is greater than 5. So obviously to the thousands digit 1 will be added. Here 5 was there. Okay, so 1 will be added, then it will be converted to 6. So 2, 3, and in place of 5 what will be there? 5 plus 1, 6, and after that whatever digits are there, those will be replaced by 0. Okay, so this is the answer when we round up this number to the nearest 1000. Okay, I hope that you have understood. So you practice these questions, and after that your homework is there, that you will do the exercise 2A. I hope that you are now you are able to do all the questions of exercise 2a. Okay.